Hi everyone. This is Jane Chu here from thefabulousbodymind.com. Last week I posted a quiz question asking what is one common sign that you might be consuming too much sugar. So the answer choices given were A. Improve focus, B. Persistent fatigue, C. Increase muscle strength, and D. Better sleep quality. So many of you have given me answers, and congratulations, I think most of you got it right. But of course, there are some people who may not know the effect of sugar. So I do come across answers that are incorrect. All right, so let me review the answers now. The correct answer is actually B, persistent fatigue. All right, so high sugar intake can actually cause fluctuations in blood sugar levels, leading to feeling of persistent fatigue. Managing your sugar consumption can help stabilize your energy levels throughout the day. So my advice to you is eat sugar in moderation. If you can, try not to take it at all. Alright, so stay tuned for more helpful tips and quizzes. See you next round and bye. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Join the movement to eliminate obesity and reverse metabolic syndrome. Together, we can make a difference. Hit the notification bell so you will never miss an update. Follow us on social media for more tips and support.